honestly, I'm just stressed out with all the miscarriages that I've had over the years. So I don't know.
Well, you know, say nothing wrong with me, man, because this is something on fire.
Accept reality. I can't have your children.
But there's a way, you know about surrogacy?
Surrogacy?
Yeah, like someone carrying your child for you.
Sometimes the universe can wrong in a bit.
She mentioned surrogacy.
How would you feel to like have a baby for somebody else though? 500,000. I don't know your man. So you want me to just get up and do that?
Me meet a woman today. And you man want me breed for your man.
I'm having a bad feeling about the entire deal, and I wanted to talk to her about it because she's seen my husband without me, and I don't appreciate that. In the beginning, we have a contract. We said that we're not supposed to, have contact without she seeing one or the other, which means me or my husband. And she saw my husband a whole day today, and I've been contacting her, and she's not answering me, and it's honestly shady.
What are you trying to say to me?
So I got have a pitney and give them a pitney.
Hello. So man just all look for you and you get pregnant. Look, girl.
I'm gonna put her out.
What have to do with you? Why you have to be the one to go pick her up and bring her in our matrimonial home? So I deserve respect now.
She's bringing a baby for us, Crystal. Stop behaving like that now.